Hello, welcome once again to our tutorial. We are going to do alphabet B today. So welcome once again. Let me introduce the materials I'm using. I'm using 6am. You can use any size, that's 8 or 6am, or if you have 4 crystal, any color, any type of beads, you'll be able to get it. So my beads I'm using in my rings, my fishing line, I've used 0.5 and my scissors. So you cut a fishing line. This is my fishing line. So you are going to start from this side before we come here. So first of all, you pick 4. So this is my 4. I'll cross with 1. I'll cross with 1 bead. So we'll do 5 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You must do 2 and join it. That's what I did here. So you pick another. So this is it. I'll cross, as you can see. So we left with 3. So this the 4th one. So as you can see, this is the 4th one. So I'm going for the last one. We are going to do it pieces in pieces. So this is how it's going to look like. So you cross. So this is the 5, the 5th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to lock. Yeah, I'll lock it. I'll cross it through the base to bring it to the middle here. After I bring it to the middle, I'll do it to the same. I'll do it to the same. So you see, I'm going to tie it at the middle here because that's how. So since we're going to do 2, you repeat it again with another fishing line. Yes, you do it again separately. So you see this one. So now you see, you get something like this. So this is our 5. So we are now going from the top here to this side. So now you pass the fishing line through the top here. Yes, through the top. Then you pick 2. Only 2. Yes. You see, these are the 2. So I'll use 1 to cross. So you get something like this. Something like this. Now you use 3 now. So now look. This is the second one. So you see. So now we'll pick another 2 again. Yes, so be keeping the step down. Pick another 2 again. Then you look. See how it's going. You see. So we'll pick another 3. Then you look. So you're going to get something like 1. You can see this 2, this another 2, this 3, this another 3. So right now we're going to pick another 3 again. Hey, another 2, sorry. This 2, not 3. You pick another 2 again. Then you look. Yes. You see how it's going? So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So you left it. Now you pick 3 now. You're going to pick the 3. Then you look. So now you see how it's forming. The moment you are doing it right, it will be forming on its own. So you see. So now we'll pick 2. So 2 again. Then we'll lock. So now we are coming here. As you see, it's coming. So we are coming this side. So this 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you repeat them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the second one 1, 2, 3. So now we are going to do another 3 again. Another 3 again. To look. You see how it's forming. This is how we write B. Yes, the same method we used to write B. That's how we are going to use the same for B. So you see now, you can see. So now you pick 2. So this 2, we just place it like this. 1 at this side. Then the second one. This one you will not lock because this is the last one. This is the last one. So you pass it through the second bead here. It's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you leave 1 here. You can pass it through the second one. The second one. Then you do the same to the other side. You see? Pull it. So this is how we use the method for P. But we are using the P method to write B. You are not writing P. This is the method we use for P. But you can, this is what we are going to use for B. So now you lock your fishing line. You pass the fishing line through the next bead here. The next bead. So you can see. So you can lock at any side. Since we are using 0.5, you can just lock at any side. So you see, there's it. So now we are going to start from here again to this side. So let's go. So this time you cut another fishing line. I'm going to cut another fishing line. So now you use your fishing line to pass through this one. Then you see, so this one. Now you pick 3. We are going like this. So you pick 3 and you lock with 1. So you pick another 3 again. We are going this way. Then you lock. We are looking for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you left with 1. Then you lock with 1. So now you pick 2 here. After you get the 4 line, the next one you pick 2. You pick 2. Then you cross. So it's going like this. So now you pick 3 now. You pick 3. First one. You see? Then you lock. You are going to repeat it again. You pick another 3 again. So you pick another 3. Then you lock. After you lock, you see? It has formed. The moment you start tapping from here to form it, so now you pick only 1. Because there's 3 here. 3 is here. So you pick 1 here. And pass the fishing line through this bead. This bead here. You see? So after you pass this one, you use this fishing line to pass through this one too. So it's going to be like this. You pull it, you make it strong. You see? So you get your bead, you will now lock your fishing line. So you see, now let me lock my fishing line here. So now you get your bead. You are going to repeat it again. The same method. You are going to repeat the same method again from here to this side, then come to this side. So now this is my 2. I got my 2. So now we are going to lock. Yes. First of all, as I taught you in the A, first you lock in the circle before you lock from the outside. So let's go. So I've cut my new fishing line. So we'll start from the top. So this is the top. This circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are going to start from this side. Yes. So you pick 1 bead. You pick 1 bead. Then you pass it through this one. So now you continue locking it. So this is it. We are locking the inside. Yes, inside one first. So you can say I'm locking the inside. So when each number is equal, they will go smoothly. Unless you made a mistake. Because if you made a mistake, it won't be equal number. It might be equal number. Yes, so that each fishing line pass through each bead. So you can see. So you can see that I'm at the last number here. So I'll not picking this again. I'll just pass the fishing line through the beads. Yes, this one too, I'll pass it through the beads. This is where we started from. So we'll come in it. We started from this. So end it on this. Then you pass the fishing line through this center bead. Yes. You pull it to make it strong. So you can see that we lock this side. So we are going to lock from this side. We are going to lock this one too. Here is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. This circle. We are going to lock this one too. So you can see I've cut my fishing and we lock this side. So now we are going to lock this side as well. So we are going to start from this side. Yes, this and this. So we cut another fishing line. You cut another fishing line. So we are going to this and this, this and this. You pass the fishing line through this bead. Yes. Then you pick 1 bead. Then you pass it through this bead here. So we'll move again. So you pick another one. So we are going again. So yes, you pass it through the next bead here. You pick another bead. So let's go and come back. So yes, so this I'm going to this side. So now you see that we lock the inside. Yes, so this is the last one. So it's the same thing. You just put the fishing line through the bead. Yes, you see that I left with 4 here. So you see, yes, you get the same for 3. Pass the fishing line through the bead and you just tie it. So you see how, yes, you cut it. So now we are now coming to the main outside. So you can see now we are now coming to lock here. Then you're almost done. So I've cut my fishing. So now I've cut my fishing line. Because I'll be facing the rings around here, I'll start from the top. So you pass the fishing line. So you can see all is equal. So you will pass the fishing line through the top here. Now I'll pick 1 bead. Now I'll pass it through the second one. So we are going to lock. Now I'll pick another bead. So we are going around. So as you can see, we're done with our bead. So since I'm using it for K rings, I'll just put the fishing line through the last bead here. Then I'll put my rings I'll pass the fishing line through it, through where we started. This is where we start. So now use the fishing line, the other line to pass through. Then I'll pass it through the rings, pass through the beads to make it strong and firm. Then now you can pass the fishing line through the other beads to lock. So now you see we're done with our bead. As you can see, our bead is ready. So if I post the video, you can post yours under the video. Let me see if you are on the track. Yes, we'll be doing C, our alphabet C, in our next video. See you guys. Yeah, now Facebook is not allowing us to post longer video, so at least 10. So I always try to bring it at once, not to be cutting it short, so that everybody can understand what we are learning. See you guys.